In this video, I'll show you exactly how to register on Blofin, step by step. And here is the bonus. Use my referral code BONUS88 when you sign up to unlock exclusive trading perks and bonuses. Join Blofin today and win a welcome bonus up to $5,000. Let's get started. Blofin is a rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchange that focuses on speed, security, and professional trading tools. It offers spot trading, futures with up to 150 leverage, and even copy trading for beginners who want to follow top traders. The platform's biggest selling point? Institutional level security with proof of reserves, meaning your assets are actually backed one-to-one. Whether you're a new trader or a pro, Blofin provides a smooth and transparent trading experience, and yes, it's available globally. Before signing up, make sure you've got a valid email address, a strong password, a government-issued ID for KYC, Know Your Customer Verification, and a few minutes of your time, optional but recommended. Set up Google Authenticator for 2FA two-factor authentication. This keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. Step-by-step registration Blofin Guide Step 1. Visit blofin.com. Type it directly into your browser or click the link in the description below. Step 2. Click Sign Up. You'll find it in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Enter your details, add your email and password. Then look for the referral code box. Type in BONUS88 to claim your rewards. Step 4. Verify your email, check your inbox, and click the verification link. If it doesn't show up, check the spam folder. Step 5. Complete KYC, upload your ID and a selfie to verify your identity. It usually takes just a few minutes. Step 6. Enable 2FA, go to Security Settings, gives turn on Google Authenticator. This adds an extra layer of protection. Step 7. Deposit and start trading. You can deposit USD or other supported coins. Once your funds arrive, you're ready to trade. And that's it, your Blofin account is live. Blofin offers one of the most generous welcome programs in the crypto world. By using the referral code BONUS88, you can receive deposit bonuses up to $5,000, get discounted trading fees, and access special campaign rewards for new users. Make sure you enter the code BONUS88 during registration. If you skip it, you might miss your bonus. Let's quickly go over some common issues people face. Didn't receive verification email. Gives check spam or promotions folder. ID rejected. Gives you a clear, uncropped photo and make sure your name matches. Forgot to enter referral code. Gives you'll need to re-register to apply BONUS88 correctly using VPN. Gives some countries may be restricted. Check Blofin's supported regions. Follow these tips and you'll register smoothly. After registration, security comes first. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, add a withdrawal whitelist. Only your own wallets can receive funds. Avoid sharing passwords or codes with anyone. These small steps make a big difference in protecting your crypto. Blofin is gaining serious traction because of its super low trading fees, deep liquidity, 24/7 responsive support, and sleek mobile app. It's becoming one of the best platforms for futures and spot traders who want both speed and reliability. So that's how you register on Blofin. It's quick, easy, and secure. To recap, go to blofin.com, click sign up, use referral code BONUS88, verify, deposit, and start trading. And don't forget, join Blofin today and win welcome bonus up to $5,000. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy trading.